Over the past few months, the tech community has been abuzz with rumors and leaks surrounding DJI's highly anticipated foray into the 360-degree action camera market. The company, already a dominant force in the drone and action camera sectors, appears poised to challenge established players like Insta360 and GoPro with its upcoming Osmo 360. The rumor mill kicked into high gear after a short, suspiciously well-framed clip began circulating online, showing what many believe to be the Osmo 360 in action. The proximity and clarity of the footage led many to suspect this was less a chance encounter and more a calculated leak designed to generate excitement ahead of the official launch. Adding fuel to the speculation, a leaked image of the device surfaced, sparking further debate about its authenticity and features. Industry insider Jasper Ellens, known for his accurate predictions, claims to have seen early footage of the Osmo 360 and boldly asserts that its image quality surpasses that of the Insta360 X5, currently regarded as one of the best in its class. If these claims hold true, DJI could be on the verge of dethroning Insta360 and staking its claim as the leader in immersive action capture. The stakes are high, and the anticipation is palpable, with Ellens suggesting a July 15, 2025 release date. For a time, it seemed the Osmo 360 project might have been shelved. Even Ellens, who initially broke the story, later speculated that the lack of updates could mean the camera was scrapped, possibly due to complications arising from US tariffs that could impact pricing and availability. However, the recent spate of leaks and images suggests otherwise. DJI appears to be moving full steam ahead, aiming squarely at Insta360's X5 and GoPro's Max, both of which have set the benchmark for 360-degree action cameras. The first hints of the Osmo 360 emerged in October, but it wasn't until recently that renowned leakers Jasper Ellens unearthed a treasure trove of content from DJI's FCC filings. Unlike the grainy, low-resolution leaks that often circulate in tech circles, these images are sharp and detailed, offering a clear look at a compact device reminiscent of the GoPro Max, complete with large, rounded lenses designed for immersive 360-degree capture. The teardown images reveal an ingenious internal design, featuring a 45-degree mirror system similar to that found in the Insta360 X3. This clever engineering allows light to be redirected to the sensor, enabling DJI to pack powerful hardware into a sleek portable body, a true feat of camera design. The user manual, also leaked, confirms that the Osmo 360 will fully integrate with the DJI Mimo app, a staple for controlling and editing footage from DJI's action cameras. The camera will be powered by a 1950 mAh battery, matching the capacity of the Osmo Action 5 Pro, and will support 30-watt USB-C charging for quick top-ups. Connectivity options include Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, ensuring seamless file transfers and the possibility of live streaming. Both physical and touchscreen controls are present, and the camera will be compatible with a range of accessories, further enhancing its versatility. Despite the promising signs, there remains an air of uncertainty. According to Ellens, there is still no evidence of retail movement, no prototypes in stores, no reseller chatter, and no signs that the Osmo 360 is being shipped to distributors. With ongoing trade tensions and the specter of tariffs, it's possible that the camera could face delays or limited availability in certain markets. Nevertheless, the volume and quality of the leaks suggest that DJI is serious about entering the 360-degree camera space, and the company's track record of disruptive innovation means competitors should be paying close attention. Turning to the design and specifications, the leaked schematics and renderings provide a comprehensive picture of what to expect from the Osmo 360. The camera sports a dual-lens setup in a compact form factor, drawing comparisons to the unreleased GoPro Max 2. Hakasushi, who has previously provided accurate size comparisons for unreleased DJI products, Visualize the Osmo 360 alongside the Insta360 X4 and the current Osmo Action 5 Pro. The result is a device that seems tailor-made for on-the-go use, with a front-facing display to preview footage and a simple control interface for quick access to settings. The power button is located on the side, consistent with previous Osmo Action models. However, some observers have noted that the screen could be larger for improved usability, and the absence of a mounting hook, a feature that sets Insta360's Magic Stick apart, may disappoint some users. One notable advantage of the Osmo 360 is its compactness. Despite packing advanced internals, DJI has managed to keep the camera smaller than many competing 360-degree models. The schematics also reveal the presence of two antennas, indicating a focus on robust wireless connectivity for reliable file transfers and streaming. Additional details from the FCC listing, which refers to the camera as the OQ1 and shows it registered under DJI Osmo Technologies, suggest that the device has already undergone testing as of early September. Since FCC listings often precede product launches by only a few weeks, it's reasonable to expect the Osmo 360 to hit the market ahead of the holiday shopping season, possibly as early as late November. DJI's reputation for producing high-quality cameras, whether for drones or standalone action cams, bodes well for the Osmo 360's prospects. The company's existing lineup is known for its impressive image quality, robust build, and user-friendly features. If the Osmo 360 lives up to the leaks and rumors, it could represent a significant leap forward, forcing competitors like Insta360 and GoPro to up their game. The question on everyone's mind is whether consumers will prefer DJI's take on the 360-degree action camera over established favorites. Much will depend on the final feature set, pricing, and how well DJI executes on the promise of immersive, high-quality capture. Meanwhile, the action camera community has also been treated to fresh leaks regarding the Osmo Action 6, DJI's next-generation standard action camera. The end of the FCC's 180-day confidentiality period has unleashed a flurry of new images, sending enthusiasts into a frenzy of speculation. While insiders caution that the design may not be final, the photos show a familiar layout with dual screens on the front and back and a prominent lens module. Intriguingly, there's a pill-shaped element beneath the front screen whose purpose remains a mystery. Two battery sizes have been listed for the Osmo Action 6, 1770 and 1950 mAh. This has led to speculation that DJI may be planning both a standard and a Pro model, with the higher capacity battery reserved for the premium variant. Such a move would allow DJI to cater to both casual users and professional content creators, offering enhanced performance, longer recording times, and potentially advanced features like superior stabilization or higher video resolutions in the Pro model. Battery life is a critical consideration for action camera users, especially those who rely on their devices for extended adventures or time-lapse photography. By offering two variants, DJI could appeal to a broader audience, from those seeking portability and affordability to those demanding top-tier performance. The Osmo Action 5 Pro was well received for its compact design, image quality, and versatility, but users noted areas for improvement, particularly in low-light performance and support for higher video resolutions. Addressing these shortcomings in the Osmo Action 6 would make it even more competitive, especially against rivals like GoPro's Hero series. Image stabilization is another area where incremental improvements could make a significant difference. While the Osmo Action 5 Pro already delivers smooth footage, the relentless pace of innovation in the action camera market means there is always room for enhancement. The Osmo Action 6 is expected to debut in early 2025, following the typical pattern of FCC filings surfacing a few months ahead of a product's release. This rapid iteration aligns with DJI's strategy of responding quickly to user feedback and staying ahead in a fiercely competitive market. In summary, DJI's upcoming releases signal a renewed commitment to innovation in the action camera space. The Osmo 360, with its advanced engineering, compact design, and rumored superior image quality, could redefine what users expect from 360-degree cameras. Meanwhile, the Osmo Action 6 promises to build on the strengths of its predecessor while addressing key areas for improvement. As the launch dates approach, the tech world will be watching closely to see if DJI can deliver on the high expectations set by these tantalizing leaks. Whether you're a casual adventurer or a professional content creator, the next generation of DJI cameras looks set to offer something for everyone, potentially reshaping the landscape of action and 360-degree photography for years to come.